Hello again, grade 12s. Welcome to the ratio and proportion section of Euclidean Geometry. Before we progress with Euclidean Geometry, you need to have a firm grip and a firm understanding of how to work with ratio and proportion. So in this question, we're looking at triangle ABC with AB having a length of 16 centimeters and AC having a length of 18 centimeters. D divides AB in the ratio 3:5, and E divides AC in the ratio 2:6. Okay, so we're required to calculate the length of AD and DB, AE and EC. Side AB has been split in the ratio or the proportion 3:5. So we assume now the smaller part from B to D, that would be proportional to 3, and A to D, that would be proportional to 5. Now, to work out what the actual lengths are, there are several methods you could apply here, right? The one method would be taking into account what the side AB represents. So side AB represents your total parts or your whole. How we work that out, total parts would be equal to 3 plus 5, which would give you 8. So the distance or the proportion from B to B, D to B, is 3/8. The distance from A to D, or the proportion rather, would be 5/8. Now we know that the 8 or the whole is 16 centimeters. To work out what BD would be in centimeters, we would multiply 3/8 by 16. For AD, we would multiply 5/8 by 16. BD would therefore be equal to 6 centimeters and AD will be equal to 10 centimeters. Now you need to make sure that if you add these two together, 10 plus 16, it's equal to what you had originally, which was 16 centimeters. In this case it is, so you have not made an error. To work out the other sides, the AE and the EC, I will use a different method, okay, so that you're able to choose which method you prefer. The length AC is 18 centimeters and it has been divided in the ratio 2:6. Right. Now this is parts of a whole. Okay. What you have to do with this method, you would say 18 centimeters is equal to 2K plus 6K. So the total parts is 8K, and that is equal to your 18 centimeters. Now you would perform the balancing method, okay, by dividing by 8 both sides to work out what K is. K is equal to 9/4 centimeters. Now for the length AE, we know that this is 2K. And we would just then multiply 9/4 by 2 to work out the actual length of AE. We would do the same for EC. AE is equal to 4.5 centimeters. EC is equal to 6K. We would perform the same or similar calculation, 6 multiplied by 9/4, which would give us EC being equal to 13.5 centimeters.